Third quarter. Sampane, ito Balukay. Balukay, wala. Uy, good steal by Sampane. Sampane, stop up, wala. Balukay, basket. And 3 number 3, rebound, Bagis to Recampo. Bagis, Sampane. Sampane. O Latiza. Latiza 3, short. Diba na pass to Gonzales. Gonzales, easy. 2 points for Gonzales. Sampane, oy, crossover. Oy, good teamwork. Good teamwork, good team play. Basket for 2 points. That's triangle offense for GYD. Meanwhile, here comes Santiago. 2 and 3 na. There's a foul. In 3 na, basket counts. That's the foul. Balukay, wala, rims out. Mira Flores, wala yapon. Good defense by Sampane. The 40-year-old defending a younger one. Sampane in the legs to Bagis for 3. Bang, bang, bang. Bagis to recover. A pass from Sampane. 56-42 now. Santiago orchestrating the play. Santiago, wala. Outside. Wow. Bagis for 3. Hindi na rebound. Santiago to Gonzales. Wala Japon. Latiza fakes. Latiza penetrates. Left-handed shot. Wala. Short. Apas. 3-on-2. Pass break. Apas jump shot. Wala. Rebound. Mira Flores. Boy, behind the back. Bagis. Good defense. Balukay. Latiza, good pass to Recampo, not that time. Basket. Good na. Ay, basketball IQ. Ano, may tali kong na-shoot. Kapoy na rin sila mo basket. Bonus free throw for Bagis. Basket. Gonzalez, left wide open three. Wala. Outside. Latisa. Wala. Quinto rebound. Veterans move. Manting pekto. Latisa fix. Oy, good fake. Ano, ganamit ani. Bagis up and running. Pass to Latisa again. Basket. Conversion that time. Good pass by Bagis to Recampo. Lapit-lapit. Wala. Apas. Yung ataping ni Bagis. Tampani. Good pass to Latisa. Finish. Yapon. Bagis for 3. Bang! O, 4 na lang. Good pass by Sampani. 4 na lang, Abansi. Third quarter, squad yung ano. Pass. Wala yapon. Uy, wala tao. Wala ka stop. Malukay. Grabe, signature move ni Malukay. Oh, back to 4-point game. Teo Quinto, 3. Short. Uy, pass it. 3 na, basket. Bagis for 3. Friendly bounce, wala. Good defense by Bagis. Gonzalez. Rina. White House na lumo. Good pass. Miraflores, the older brother of Siloy Miraflores. Pass. Pass for 3. Short. Bagis. Oy, white tao na lum. O, 2 isa. 2-1-1 pass break. 2 isa. Uy, tapal. Good defense. Malukay. Challenging again. Apas. Wala. Tap. Tripping. Bagis for 3. Long. Rebound Malukay. Malukay. Oh, rebound Bagis. Bagis jump shot. Wala yapon. Good recovery. Trina tapos. Gonzalez basket. Sampani all the way to the cup for 2 points. Oh, steal. Bagis to Recampo. Taway-taway. Buzzer beater for Bagis.